Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install VS Code on your computer. The first step is go to Google and type VS Visual Studio Code. And click on the first link. Then when you go to this first link, it will automatically recognize your computer. If it is Mac, it will suggest you to download Mac. If it is Windows, it will suggest you to download Windows. But you can also click on this arrow button and check your operating system and download the stable version. If it is Mac, click on this. If it is Windows, click on that. If it is Linux, click on this. So I will click on the one that is for Mac because my computer is a Mac computer. So I will click on this stable universal version. And then it will automatically start downloading. It is a little bit big file. It will take about a couple of minutes. The code download is complete. VS Code is now on my computer. I will click on it. And it is right here. So when it is downloaded, you can just click to open the VS Code and click open. And now VS Code is ready to use. So I now can open a folder, or I can create a new folder. So I will install some of the libraries using in VS Code. So click on the last one and type in Babel ES6 EX7 to download that extension right here, and add Babel JavaScript. This one right here, and click install, and add VS Code icons. This one, and click install. You will see install right here, and then search for live server and click install. So install these 4 things to make your VS Code experience better.